Put more.
Nyla's cooking.
Okay.
All right, good job, Ny.
Okay, we'll put that in there. Okay, hold on. Yeah, take some for mommy. Yeah. Very good.
Good job, Ny.
Okay, okay, here.
Nyla's making lasagna. Say hi, camera.
Hi.
Nyla's eating the cheese. I saw that. You can't eat the cheese. You gotta put the cheese in there.